Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shiba Army. This token might make you a millionaire. Shiba Inu news today. The first Shiba Inu burn happened in May 2021. When Vitalik Buttery and burned almost half of the entire supply of 400 trillion Shib in a single transaction. Within 2 weeks, the Shiba enterprise pumped out 50,000% of the Shiba Inu burns suffered in 2022 due to the collapse of the Shiba Swamp burn portal. The current spike in Shiba Inu's prices represents the beginning of the New Year's festivities. In this video, we will explain about Shibarium, a token that might make you a fortune. Shiba Inu news today. Remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive our most recent articles on Shiba Inu pricing forecasts and professional analysis. Let's start the video now without further ado. The Shiba burn tracker indicates that 83 billion Shiba Inu tokens have already been consumed in 2022. Shiba Inu burn rates have decreased significantly over time, from a high of 31 billion in May 2022 to barely 661 million in November 2022. It's a 99% drop. With only 300 million share burns and a little more than a week left in December, it appears that Shiba Inu will have an even worse month. The $715,000 value of the 83 billion Shiba Inu incinerated today only accounts for 0.015% of the market capitalization of Shiba Inu. At this pace, burning through half of the available Shib and producing another 50,000% will take more than 3,300 years. Price hike this year's May was the best burning month for Shiba Inus ever. It coincided with the launch of the Shiba Swamp burn portal, a mechanism that paid users passive income to burn their Shiba Inu tokens with no burn tanks. The 5% cut of Shiba Eternity revenue utilized for burning has not made an impact yet, but the burn portal could be the key to raising the Shiba Inu burn rate in 2023. Shibaswap's blog already explained how the burn portal failed. The original development team disappeared, and so it was taken over by the lead development team headed up by anonymous Satoshi Kusama. The blog explained that the burn portal would go live soon with functions for passive income and extra shoes, but burning in 2023. The shipping price has fallen from the recent bullish price action that site tagged $0.00000935 a few days ago. It has now had its tax support lowered and looks ready for its next leg upward. The bullish outlook for Shiba Inu was reflected in the overall crypto market this week, as investors reacted positively earlier in the week to the better-than-expected consumer price index. However, as the Fed boosted interest rates by 50 basis points on Tuesday, global markets took a hit, and Shib plummeted back down to support. It is currently consolidating in anticipation of the upcoming leg up. The price of Shiba Inu has declined from its weekly high and is currently holding at $0.00000917. And a break over that level is necessary to maintain the rise and reach highs above $0.000001. The increase from $0.000009 the 100-day EMA serves as a roadblock, which might be cleared for $1 to go to the upper falling trend line. Traders will be closely watching to see if the Shiba Inu price can remain above the lower trend line. A green candle above the support line could be interpreted as a signal to enter a long position with potential exit targets at the 50 EMA, 100-day EMA, and 200-day EMA at $0.00001012. According to recent sentiment data, investors appear to be removing their assets from exchanges. This may be connected to the collapse of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange early last month. 372 billion Shib coins were said to have been taken out of exchanges on Tuesday. Even though it dropped to 7.2 billion on Thursday, this amount is still quite high. Shib token withdrawals from exchanges have recently increased, indicating that investor sentiment toward you is improving. But this is because investors often move their assets away from exchanges when they plan to hold them for longer periods of time. This also minimizes overhead pressure, allowing the price of Shiba Inu to climb. Data from the supply distribution charts also shows that Shiba Inu Whales has resumed selling, with addresses holding 1 million to 10 million tokens now holding 0.204% of the entire network supply, up from a monthly high of $0.20. The price will probably increase as long as Shiba Inu is under steady buying pressure. Shib is still in a good purchase zone, as evidenced by the realized value and VRV ratio in addition to the market value. Investors consider Shib inexpensive if the NVRV continues below the mean line at 1, with the ratio at negative 2.53%. Investing in the meme coin now could result in substantial gains. When the NVRV flips above the same mean line at 1, traders often sell Shib. The second largest meme coin by market capitalization is called Shiba Inu. Estes followers with a secret countdown on its Twitter handle. Mateen posted a link to a website that shows a countdown timer against the Shiba Inu themed backdrop. Experts on crypto Twitter believe this could reflect the clock winding down before the forthcoming launch of Layer 2 scaling solutions. Shiba, a meme coin with a $5 billion market valuation, is a Dogecoin rival. Market capitalization has numerous developmental changes in the pipeline towards the end of 2022 and 2023. Through a link in the post, the official Twitter account enticed followers with a mysterious countdown that led them to a webpage with a countdown meter and a picture of a dog gazing out a window in the backdrop. The tweet baffled the Shib community, and meme coins fans speculate that it might have been a teaser before the Layer 2 scaling solution was officially released. When announcing partnerships or new hiring in metaverse projects, Shib developers have previously released teasers for events of a similar nature. For example, Shib ecosystem developers started working on the scaling project in April 2022. The Dogecoin killer currently functions on the underlying Ethereum blockchain, and while the Ethereum network is regarded secure and scalable, transaction costs continue to stay high. Following Ethereum's successful transfer from the proof-of-work POW to the proof-of-stake POS through the merge, scalability issues rear their heads on the second-largest cryptocurrency blockchain network. Projects like Shiba Inu, which are built on the Ethereum blockchain, need higher scalability, and this is where Shiba comes in. A second layer is a chain that is added on top of the first blockchain. Shibarium's objective is to reduce base chain network congestion, in this case on the Ethereum network. To process transactions and distribute workload, the Layer 2 solution will operate in conjunction with the current Ethereum-based chain. The Shib community, also referred to as the Shib Army, has long been an advocate for Layer 2 scaling solutions. Therefore, the launch of Shibarium will increase the usefulness of Shem and cause a surge in the rival to Dogecoin. The price of Shiba Inu has decreased by almost 90% from its previous peak of $0.00081616. However, the introduction of Shib's scaling solution may provide a much-needed boost and spark a significant rise in the meme coin, which would result in a challenging time for the cryptocurrency market. The dog meme token Shiba Inu, which has been ranked as one of the most interesting cryptocurrencies in 2022, is one of the digital assets that has seen an increase in interest from cryptocurrency traders. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Binance, reported in a tweet on December 18 that Shiba Inu is among the top 3 most watched cryptocurrencies in 2022, ranking alongside the 2 biggest digital assets by market capitalization, Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. Additionally, Shib has been tracking an increase in holders, adding about 7,083 of them since November, according to a report from FinBold on December 11. It has since acquired an additional 8,956 holders. At the time of publication, it was 1,267,276. Similar to other scan results. Previously, the Shiba network had swollen by nearly 51,000 token holders during the period between October 20th and November 20th. That's it for today, according to the coin market cap data retrieved by FinBolt on November 21st. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.